Click on search bar and type here Task Manager. After that, click here to open it. Select Run as Administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select File, click on Run New Task, and from here click on Browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on search icon, then type here Windows PowerShell. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Select as. On this window, to avoid mistakes, just copy these commands from the description below and paste it here. After that, hit enter to execute them. Once done, close this window. Again, go to search bar and type Windows PowerShell. Again, run as administrator. Now paste this command and hit enter. This will take some time. Once done, close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.